Where are we going today?
Disney.
Disney.
Driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Mommy,
Disney.
Mommy, I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it? You want to throw in the garbage? Oh my gosh, it has been crazy. The worst daughter-in-law in the world. We check our bag, we go through TSA, whatever, to the agent, and they said I put in my mother-in-law's birthday wrong. So we had to leave the TSA line, go back downstairs to Spirit, go get her a new boarding pass, the whole thing. So I'm lucky they didn't charge us because I think you're supposed to. They gave me a warning not to do that again. So, oh, terrible. So anyway, we made it. We're just gonna wait until, yeah, those are for later, right? We're gonna wait until the line gets a little bit.
Spirit Airlines, guest travel on flight number 992.
Well, I guess we'll see you in Orlando.
It's prepared. He says we're going to Disney's and see you next one. Bye.
Don't get that good stretch going. That does feel good, right? You know what feels even better? Now that you're down there, look around your seating area and have this anything you didn't want to take with you. Cups, can, glasses, diamond rings, wallet full of money, the water for him.
Alright, we're about to land.
And then
What are you gonna do today?
when we're off that plane, we drive to our hotel. Then we pick out the hotel, and then we pick rides, more rides, and I will do one summer ride, and then we're gonna go to the pool.
Bye, thank you. You too. Alright, we made it. It has been a rough morning, but we made it. We're gonna get there and we're gonna go check into the hotel and go have some fun.
La casi es ready,
Okay. Alright, we just got to pop. So it is 3:30. So because Animal Kingdom is only open until 6, we are gonna run all over to Animal Kingdom real quick. So we'll have like about 3 hours there and then we'll come back for some pool time. It is very warm, very not New Jersey right now. You excited, Mama?
Lucia, you want more? You have one more to here, honey?
Mommy, can you help me?
You can't put the buckle on because we gotta collapse the stroller.
some rubber bands. Helps them save their energy to a cow. Spell SGNU instead like new. Pretty adorable when they do so, hence their nickname, the Nunu. Well, just up ahead there, we're gonna be the oldest, the bull or the male, the leader of the herd. While the other ones are still pretty young, but eventually their horns will grow that 6 feet. Surprisingly, all those horns are very tall, weighing about 3,000 pounds, but if you look carefully in between the trees on your left, this is the eland, weighing about 2,000 pounds, standing 6 feet high to just their shoulders, known to jump 6 feet high. So if they want to, they can probably join us here in the truck. You'll see another eland, much easier, top left here on the greater flamingos will stand about 5 feet tall.
Alright guys, it's like 5 o'clock. Playing Beat the Clock here because they close at 6. So we are headed on over to Cali River Rapids ride. So my mother-in-law, she's never been here before, so this is exciting for her, her first little ride.
Are you gonna put your hands up?
We've already just met him twice and he just came from
Oh my gosh, my sunglasses went flying. Here we go! Ah!
Oh my god! Wow, we got soaked. All the times we rode on that, I don't think I've ever gotten that wet before. They really like soaked us. So anyway, I think we are gonna go get something to eat. We have about 30 minutes before the park closes. We have one last lightning lane, but we're gonna quick get a bite to eat because we have not ate all day. All right, so I got the rice, or the, oh my gosh, I was listening to them. I got the firecracker shrimp, and Maria got the sesame chicken. Lucia got a kid's cheeseburger. Lucia, how's your cheeseburger? Lucia, how's your cheeseburger? Is it good? Alright, so we went to Yake Nieri. Second time here, I actually like it better this time because last time I think I got the same thing, and I think they left the tails on the shrimp, which I found was like a little easier. Or I think this one's easier to eat.
Yeah, and go through, I'm pretty sure go through everyone's
So yeah, we got drenched on Cali River Rapids.
I'm fine, I don't mind taking this.
Lucia is like uncomfortable. We didn't bring a change of clothes or anything, but that's alright. It's almost time to leave. Lucia, did you like the ride? Why didn't you like the ride? No.
Get a whip, Just this?
Because I don't like the way because it has wet.
Because it has wet.
Items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tire.
Alright, that was fun. Lucia did not care for the dinosaur ride, but me and Maria thought it was fun. We just go this way. The 28. So, it was fun. I'm glad, even though she was scared, I'm glad that she got to do that before they closed. So now we're going back to the hotel and we're gonna do some swimming. Alright. These look like new curtains. I don't remember these being here before. Let me move our stroller out of the way. My daughter's in the bath, so if you're wondering the background, I'm gonna have to do this in probably a two-part video. That's adorable. Alright, we just got back to the room. Lucia wanted to take a bath, I don't know why, before we get in the pool, but I bought a little blind box. I'm gonna open this now so I know if I need to trade any of these. Alright, so there's a few I need and I brought them. I have to find them. I think they're in my luggage somewhere, I'm hoping. Let's see. Let's see what I got. So these ones, in case you're wondering, they're $22.99. They come with two. So with the passport discount, I think it came to like 19 something. 20 bucks. Oh. Ooh, I think this is a new one. Kangaroo. And the goat. We have two of these. Sorry. So like this one we already have two of. So this is definitely gonna add to the trainer. But this is a new one. So yay! I got a new one. So and we need like 3 more. 4 more. Yeah. We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Look at this, everybody!
Swimming at Pop Century.
Oh, there he is!
It's like 20 degrees, snowstorm in New Jersey, and we're here. It is chilly, but we cannot complain.
I'm waiting for you. Here, come here, Lucia. Mom.
Lucia brought like every one of her toys here. Don't mind my time here. You say hi to the video, the vlog.
Hi, Boohead.
You said hi to Boohead.
Hi, Bucket.
Hi, Bucky Boogie.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.